Anita with crimsoncatz.com, and how are you feeling today? Today we are going to be talking about a wonderful crystal. Now this crystal I think is it's not talked about as much, you know. No, I don't think anyone really goes, oh yeah, that crystal, haha. But it's one of those crystals which boom, 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 ends in ite, and it is selenite. Now, why on earth would I talk about selenite? Well, let me tell you, this is a very magical, a powerful tool, in fact, especially when it comes to cleansing your crystals. Now, everyone says to me, how do you cleanse your crystals? So there are many ways. So as I've mentioned in a previous video, in dealing with pyrite, for example, another one with an ite on the end, selenite, ite. So you know you're not allowed to put this in water. It will dissolve. It will become a gloopy. I haven't tried it because I wouldn't try it, but I have seen it done. Okay, so with this one, it is a wonderful tool in terms of cleansing your crystals. It doesn't matter which crystal you have. You can have them in a selenite bowl, or you can have them in a normal bowl or on your table or wherever you have it. But have your selenite by it if you want to cleanse them. Okay, so with that selenite, let me tell you a little story about what someone did. One of my clients did and wondered why her crystals were not working. Okay, now with the crystals, with the selenite, for example, you might have a selenite bowl. Now, when you're going to charge those crystals up, you charge them under the moon and the sun, or the sun. You can do both. It depends on the crystal, right? Now, what you don't do is put them back into the bowl. You don't put them back into the selenite bowl, because then you're re-cleansing them again. So all that energy from the sun and the moon has suddenly disappeared. And what you want to do instead is harness that energy from the moon or the sun and keep it in your pocket, keep it somewhere near you, put it in your bag, you know, or put it in an area of the body where it's going to function. But you don't put it back into the selenite bowl until it feels, or you feel ready for it to be charged up again. Okay, so it has to be cleared and cleansed. Then you put it in the selenite bowl, or you put it with your other crystals. So my selenite sits in my bowl of all my crystals. It cleanses them. And every time I'm working with a client, I will pick up a new crystal and I will charge it. I will put it in the moon or the sun, or I'll have that energy going through that crystal that I need to use for my client. So I might use some of the Reiki symbols, for example. I might use energy from the masters, energy from my spirit guides to go through that crystal, so it's working through me for my client. So as I said, just remember selenite, do not put it in water. It will not exist. And ensure that if you do have a selenite bowl, only put your crystals in there when they need cleansing. And that's the only time. All right. So I hope you found this video very helpful with selenite. It's like the Star Wars thing, isn't it? Anyway, yes, enjoy. And please remember to share the video, like the video, put your comments below as well. And if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, why not? Go for it. And I hope to see you in the next video. Ciao for now.